recent days, I went to the market for shopping and bought a skirt, a bed, a table, a video, and cassette. The bed cost half the cost of the table. The cassette cost was twice the cost of the bed. The video's price is thrice the cost of the cassette. The skirt cost double the price of the cassette. I bought too many things from the market, so I was little bit confused. So I named them. Price of the skirt was A, price of the bed was B, price of the table was C, price of the video was D, and price of the cassette was E. So from the market, bed cost me double the price from the cassette. So B is equal to C by 2, and cassette price is double the price from the bed price. So say E is equal to 2B and D is equal to 3E. So from this summation, from my market bed, somebody asked me which two articles cost the same. Bed and a cassette, cassette and a skirt, skirt and a table, and table and a cassette. So from this equation, B is equal to already C by 2. So C is equal to 2B. So price of the cassette and table is the same from my purchase bag. Other thing is, which article costs double the two articles which have the same price: bed, cassette, skirt, and a table. So again, cassette price is half the price of the bed, so C is equal to 2B. And from above question, C is cassette price and table price is equal to the same. E is equal to 2B, that is price of cassette is double the price from the bed. So answer is skirt. Which article is costliest? Costliest is the price of the video is thrice to the price from the cassette, because cassette is the cheapest thing. So D is equal to 3E. So video price is costliest from above articles.